When you are comfortable and ready, go ahead and close your eyes and start to dial in our breath, dial in our mind, and be at peace, knowing that right now, your breath and your thoughts are all we need to worry about. Everything outside of your life doesn't matter right now. As you breathe in deeply, we can let go of the things we thought we should have done or should be doing, and also forget all the things that are far out into the future. Placing our energy in those things is wasted, as we can't control them at all. We can't control all the things we should have done, all the things in the past, and we can't control all of those things way ahead of us in the next couple hours, next couple days, of course, the next couple years. We can give focus, though, to what we have right now. We can focus towards our breath, focus towards being at peace, and focus on seeing where our mind is. Likely our mind is stuck between one of those two things we just talked about, either being focused or consumed on the past, or obsessed about the future. Which one are you struggling with today? Which one do you normally struggle with? As we take some time to breathe and be at peace, we can find a lot out about ourselves, about what drives us, what motivates us, by looking and spending some time analyzing these thoughts. Are you regretful from the past, what you should have done differently? This will likely motivate you from the future. Are you scared and anxious about something that you don't even know will happen way far in the future? This will also motivate your thoughts and actions. So I ask again, as you breathe deeply, becoming present, what has your grasp right now? What's taking your time and attention? The past or the future? As we finish our final few moments, we're going to take a little bit of time without my voice and our own thoughts to see what's really going on in our mind. What's driving us in this moment? Continue to focus on your breath while seeing what thoughts come into your mind. Go ahead and breathe. As we slowly come back together, perhaps your mind was clear, no worries about the future and the past, and that's great. Perhaps your mind was wandering all over the place, and that's great. The point of this all is to just give your body and mind some time to be at peace, to really see where your mental state is at. And then from there, we can work towards being more self-aware in our daily lives. Let's take our final breath together as a class. Gently fill your lungs with air. And then slowly exhale that breath, nice and carefully. When you finish that breath, no rush at all. You may open your eyes back to the center of class, back to the rest of the day as we continue to breathe. Thank you all for coming. I hope you have a nice, peaceful rest of your day wherever you are going to. And we will see you